Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You begin by confirming Git and Vscode are ready, open the built-in terminal and run Git version to verify. Once done, sign into GitHub from the Accounts icon or create a personal access token if you prefer CLI auth. Next, clone the repository using the command palette's Git. Clone command or git clone URL manually. Choose a local folder so Vscode opens the project. This gets your files and links Vscode to the remote origin for future pushes and pulls. You should work on a feature branch rather than main. Create one via the status bar branch picker or git checkout bfeature/name so your changes stay isolated. Once you edit files, stage relevant hunks in source control, run local tests, and commit with an informative message. This preserves project history. Then push the branch to GitHub using the push button or git push uorigin branch name so collaborators can see your work. Make sure to pull remote updates before long-lived branches diverge. You finish by opening a pull request on GitHub or using the GitHub pull requests extension inside Vscode to create one directly. That starts review and CI checks. If reviewers request changes, commit fixes locally and push to the same branch so the PR updates automatically. When merging, prefer a rebase or merge strategy your team agreed on, and if merge conflicts occur, pull the latest main. Use Vscode's merge editor to resolve hunks, then commit and push.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.